girl trash every man do. But Eastside queen, you a must see mascot. Skilly make you shake for you get a one song. Oh, you picture.
You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man for dead.
Immortal, you know that. You order a mount blank. You see chain a gold that. Phone ring next order.
So viewers and subs, Stefflon responded to Jada Kingdom and this are back brawling and wicked. Yeah man. And remember when Stefflon made the post like say she come out of the clash? And also some rumors did agree and say Stefflon I go file for something like lawsuit, something like that against Jada Kingdom. Well viewers and subs, Stefflon jump back into the clash and this up Jada Kingdom brawling. So before I get into Stefflon this song, this post was made from Stefflon and it says lawsuit cap. You'll soon realize that Twinkie love tells sweet lies and she does it very well to get you all locked in. You see me? Viewers and subs, Stefflon make them know say yo, the lawsuit thing, the lawsuit rumor is a cap. As a Jada Kingdom did tell the lie about that. You see me? So viewers and subs, make we jump right into the song.
You can't hold you till I put me all lawsuit, so come on with that. Yeah, right.
So as you can hear, Stefflon kick off the song with a live that Jada Kingdom went on. Most are not supposed to know the live, you see me? Just by hearing Jada Kingdom voice and hearing the things that she was saying, we're supposed to know the live already, you see me? Yeah man.
Suck your mother, girl, you a dash way belly, girl, you baby up with them aunt you. Me not back from no war, you a talk about incest when your daddy did that.
Stefflon I make Jada Kingdom know say yo, our baby duppy them a aunt her. Remember enough viewers and subs, Jada Kingdom say she rather swallow than forget a child right now. You see me? And if Jada Kingdom don't swallow and she don't pregnant, well, what you think happen? You know say Pitney a go get that way. You see me viewers and subs? Pitney I get that way now. Because remember you know, Stefflon is a mother. So basically you know, Stefflon or Pitney don't get that way. Stefflon is a mother. You see me? So that's why Stefflon made that talk and say yo, our baby duppy them, our Jada Kingdom baby duppy them a haunt her. You see me? Yeah man.
Me not back from no war, you a talk about incest when your daddy did that fuck you. Bitch, nobody don't love you.
So Stefflon I say she not back from nowhere. You see me? So for everybody where did I say yo, Stefflon I run, not even run, but Stefflon I come out of the war including myself. Stefflon I make one know say yo, she not back from no war. You see me? She not run, she not back from no war. And she also I say Jada Kingdom father did that. Yo, me not touch upon that. Make we move on.
Nobody don't love you. Make you a sing about me family no so. You just dead. Tell me how you resurrect. Me a put you back in your casket. Bossy.
More to know how Jada Kingdom resurrect after Stefflon kill her. Cause viewers and subs, Stefflon say she go put back Jada Kingdom in the casket. But on the other hand, viewers and subs, Jada Kingdom also ask the same question. How Stefflon resurrect after she did kill her?
Pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man for dead.
Bossy Matty go so somebody just gone. Push Jada face that a dopey just gone. Oh, your mama still a beg and you a sell pussy hard. What this girl better.
Viewers and subs, Stefflon yo, Stefflon say how Jada Kingdom so worthless. How she be so worthless, like she a self-run so hard, and her mother, Jada Kingdom mother, still a beg. Jada Kingdom mother still a beg, and Jada Kingdom a self-run hard. Viewers and subs, me really want to hear from Uno. The review not done enough, but I want to hear from Uno. What you think about this song? If you not made it already, leave an honest opinion in the comment section and let me know. Stefflon not just a disrespect Jada Kingdom, but this clash gone to the family. All the family them get pulling at this because Stefflon mother recently made another post to her IG and she has said a bag of things, but me now get into it. But it like the both side families I get drawn right into this clash. Steffa tell Jada about her mother, Jada tell Steph about her mother, all father get giant, brother get giant, everybody get giant. No joke.
What this girl, better you keep on your jaws. Working back, can't hide me up. You a boss bow property, me buy these enough diamonds for me chain.
Yeah, boss about properties, me buy these enough. Birkin bags can't hype me up. So viewers and subs, basically, Stefflon, she's like saying, Jada Kingdom a hype over some little simple things where Stefflon can easily get. You see me? Yeah man. So Stefflon I say, yo, the properties them ya hype over, say I buy them the long time. Them they not nothing to me. The Birkin bags, them they not nothing to me. A chum change. You see me? Yeah man, ya hype over some simple things. Some simple things when me look on like I don't nothing forget them. You see me, I get them there from long time. I do them there from long time. You just start do them there. You see me? Yeah man, that's how Stefflon I make it seems.
Diamonds for me chain, every ice freeze up. Plus a rose rice, I you fi try keep up. Yo, what do you stinky twinky, Miss Jada condom?
Stinky Twinky. Yo, enough people are gonna run with that name there. No joke. Stinky Twinky. But anyways, viewers, Stefflon I say Jada Kingdom need to keep up because she have a Rolls Royce. Yeah man, Rolls Royce is a car. If most of you don't know. You see me? So basically now Stefflon I say me have a car and you have a bag. And you will try to keep up because viewers and subs, you don't know say a car is more expensive than a bag. You see me? And a car is basically way better than a bag. You see me? The bag worth money, but the car worth millions. You see me? So Stefflon I say, yo, you need to keep up. You see me? So instead, you make a bag of talk, but you get Birkin or whatever you want to name. Me get a Rolls Royce. You see me? You need to keep up. You know, in my league. None at all.
Trash every man dog, but inside queen. You want to see mascot. Skilly make a shake for you get a one song. Oh, you fi try this, they done my.
Bo Eastside Queen, you must a mascot. You have to shake for Skillibeng for get a one song. Viewers and subs, Stefflon I say, Jada Kingdom is no Eastside Queen. She a mascot. You see me? She had to give it up to Skillibeng for get a one song. And viewers and subs, like I said, Stefflon a paint a picture in everybody's head. And I try to say, yo, Jada Kingdom is some big whore. She had to give it up to a lot of people in the music industry because me also hear Massacre name a call and lots more. You see me? So basically now Stefflon I say, yo, you have to give it up to a lot of people for you to reach where you're there right now. You see me? Me a born talent. But you know you had to give it up. For you, for where you there right now, you had to give it up to like basically almost everybody in the music industry.
Jada fuck cat, Jada fuck rat, and Jada fuck bat. And me bring my son, never kill my son. My pussy bring life, your pussy bring no. Live remind some girl remember your fuck truck fender football.
So Stefflon I say, yo, fear front bring life, Jada front bring none. Like I said earlier before, Jada Kingdom say she not ready for no son right now or no child right now, she rather swallow. You see me? So Stefflon I use it against her again. And like I said before, Stefflon I paint the picture in everyone's head that Jada Kingdom is a whore and she had to sleep with a lot of people for Jada Kingdom for do what she did. You see me? Yeah man. And here Stefflon also bring another name in the picture. Chuck Fender. Yeah man, Stefflon I say, yo, Jada Kingdom F Chuck Fender. Another name to the list. And me don't know who is Chuck Fender. Most people may know him, but I don't know him. You see me? But just know say it's another name. Stefflon I bring to the list of people Jada Kingdom sleep with. Jano Star. Jada Kingdom. Viewers and subs, make we continue.
Sacrifice which daddy, bitch me believe in a God, me no put money over my family. I would do but you dolly, can't say you a Bob.
So right there, so Stefflon I make the people them know say, yo, she never sacrificed her father. She believe in a God. Remember when Jada Kingdom came out and she has say, yo, Stefflon sacrificed her father and she should have sacrificed her brother too. You see me? So Stefflon, like I said, I make the people them know say, yo, she not believe in a sacrifice and none of them something like. She believe in a God himself. You see me? Yeah, man.
Can't say you a Barbie. When me see you on Twitter, I so cocky. You know come from Kingston, remember that. I St. Thomas, pussy center Josh.
Anyways, viewers and subs, so I can just close it right there. Say, yo, wanna make me know to think about Stefflon latest single Dead Gyal Talking. You see me? Yeah man. Only can also make me know who you feel or lead this clash in the comment section. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself like always. Subscribe to 4K Shala Energy. Click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. You see me? Yeah man, big up on yourself and catch you in another one.